Hello there. Today's tutorial is about how to use OBS. Now, OBS is a free and open source cross-platform for streaming and recording programs. OBS means Open Broadcaster Software, but the OBS Classic is no longer supported or maintained. The original OBS is only available for Windows in both 32 and 64-bit, while this one and its source code are freely available. To start with this tutorial, we are going to start on how and where to download it. So just go to this website, obsproject.com, and then choose among these options for the operating system that you are using for your computers. Now, also you have to check on the specific of your computer. Check on the operating system if it's 64-bit or 32-bit. Now, in my case, I am using a Windows computer, so I clicked on this and it downloaded this. So as soon as you get to download it, double click on this one. It's an exe program, so just double click it and then it will open many dialog boxes. Just click on next, 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 and so on, then agree to all the terms, then it will install. Now as soon as it is finished, as soon as it finishes, this one will come out. Now, as soon as the installation is through, this will come to show in your monitors. Okay. In using OBS, basically you are going to start and work on these parts here. Okay, what you see here is your screen. It's showing a preview. Okay, now here are the sources, different sources that you can choose from. Okay, display capture, I already added it and it's already added as a default. So if you'd like to add more, you can choose from this. If you'd like to add more, you can choose from the following. Now, more commonly used are the image and image slideshow. Game capture if you'd like to capture your game. Display picture if you'd like to record your screen or capture your screen display. Now for browsers, it also works, as well as the text and other options. Now this is all self-explanatory, and now if you're just recording, just like what I am doing right now, this one will show as start recording, but since I'm already recording, it will show the stop option. Now if you want to go to streaming, you can also opt for that, and then studio mode, and then the settings or the exit. So of course if you want to exit, it will already stop. Now settings, let's go here and it will open the settings in different categories. Now for the general setting, you can choose for the language that you would like to deal with, and then you can choose for the theme that you like. In my case, I prefer the dark one or the default one, except it's so light already. Now for the streaming options, here are the choices. Okay, and the output, okay, it means it is going to give you the choices on the size for the specific quality of your video or your streaming service. Next is the audio, which is your audio source. It can be your microphone or another source. For this one is the video resolution. Now you can go through the scale in Canvas here, or downscale if it's an option. Now hotkeys, this is going to be a little more complicated, but there are more advanced options. So far it's all self-explanatory, but for what I am currently doing right now, I am just using display capture and auto defaults. Now if you'd like to add an audio input or audio capture input for input or output, you can choose this and add one. Okay, now for those who are asking about its safety, yes, it is completely safe. In fact, it is used by almost all streamers and has extensive fan base with its popularity. Remember to use the version that follows your specifications, just like what I did with mine, okay? For more extensive scope, comment down your questions below for the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.